Hello, this is me, Alira. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So now, look forward to working with you. So let's go, get started on the question I have today. And the question is: phone call leads Google Ads. Good idea. Hello, Ali. I'm about to launch a new Google ad campaign, which main goal is to get phone call leads, which should lead to purchase of a gift card. That's very good. I mean, really appreciable. And the thing is that it shows estimated price per conversion at 105 euro, which is almost double the price of the card. Not to mention that this is just to get the calls in the first place. What is your experience and what can I expect from such campaign? Do you think 15 euro a day is a reasonable budget? I promote in Slovakia, which has only 5 million people. Also, the campaign is set to maximize conversions without CPA. Thanks for any advice. So there are a few things which I'm going to start with. First, the first thing first is that I'm going to answer the last question the first because don't want to forget it. The thing is that maximum conversion bidding strategy only works well when you have conversions recorded. So in case if you do not have any conversions recorded, do not opt for this, but not opt for this. Okay, instead use maximize clicks or impression share strategy. These two strategies can good. If you ask me which one is the most effective right now at the beginning, the maximize click is going to be the most effective strategy right now. So this is the answer to your last question. Now the question is you saying that the how much budget should I have? Do you think 15 euro a day is a reasonable budget? Okay, with the nowadays and the expectations of how the Google has been running around, my expectation or my strategy for the budget is going to be it's if I do the 15 into 30, it's going to be you have a budget of 450 euro a day for euro per month. So my strategy is going to be to spend the 200 euro in the first week because I have to get the data, and then may set if I have left a 250 euro left over for 23 days, I'm going to set it at 11 euro a day for next day. So what I want to do is I want to get the data the first week. So my strategy is going to be get as much data as possible so that I can optimize my campaign accordingly. So that is going to be my second strategy of asking the budget. If you ask me the budget euro 11 euro a day or even the 15 euro a day is less, I recommend you to increase it to the 50 or 100 ideally at a minimum level. 100 a day at a minimum level, not at the maximum level, but at the minimum level to get the maximum amount of data and to see where are the areas through which we can optimize our call campaign. Now your third question is that it shows that estimated price per conversion at 105. Okay, this can fluctuate, and this can also be dependent on three or four of the things you need to understand, which people often forget. Your landing page copy, okay, your how effective is your landing page copy plus your offer plus your ad copy plus how well you have optimized your campaigns. You have optimized your campaigns plus your CTR. Okay, what happens is that if you optimize in your landing page copy, your offer, your ad copy, how well you have optimized campaign plus your CTR, what happens is that the CPC cost is going to be decreased plus your conversion cost is also going to be decreased. Now the thing is that how the CPC cost is going to be decreased is by optimizing the quality score. You can optimize the quality score to decrease your CPC cost, and the main thing of element of the quality score is the CTR. Work on your CTR plus relevancy, and that can help you in reducing your CPC. Now, in addition to reducing the CPC, we can also do other effects to reduce our cost per conversion is by landing page copy, optimizing our ad cover, optimizing ad copy. So I mean, this is just an estimated, this is a machine generated approximate, it can't be true at this. So you just need to spend the data to get the maximum out of it. Also look on your comparative strategies, what kind of landing page offer they are running, and that can help you. For instance, that this is a limited a simple ad, but let's say we are going the call extension, you can see that this is a call ad, kind of a call ad. But if we add like things like price extension or advertisement rating or selling extension, this can make it add a lot more authoritative, which can also increase or decrease your sales. So there are so many factors in account optimization which can depend on the success of your campaign. So do not think on just this number 105, but do think on other factors as well, so that you can take the maximum out of your Google ad phone call campaign. So I hope I answered this question, and in case if you need a professional help with your Google ads campaign, do hire me and my team through the link in the description. So I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.